everyone, it's Kelly from KLK Endeavors, and I am here to show you what came in my January Bargain Bead Box subscription. If you're not aware of it, I get a subscription every month. It costs $17.95, and you get a package full of lots of beads and findings, and they all follow a theme. This month's theme, or January's theme, is Roses Are Pink. And then they give you a little synopsis, and it says, Happy New Year. This month's collection features a romantic palette of rose gold and delicate pink hues. Hand-carved rose quartz flowers combined with rhodonite and quartz gemstones, plus sparkling crystals and bright glass flowers. Rose gold findings in scrolling filigree motifs complete the package. And when you get this, you can get, if you get your own subscription, you can get 30% off any orders on their sister store, www.beadboxbargains.com, and then use your coupon. If you want to get a subscription, you need to go to www.bargainbeadbox.com. And January's package came with a beautiful pink bag. That's where everything was in. That was what they put everything in. And there's 19 different items. And I'm excited to show you what they sent me. I'm not much of a pink person, but I like this box. It looks so pretty together. Okay, first one. And let's show you this way. 5-gram bag of 21 gauge 6mm steel jump rings. You never have enough jump rings. And 21 gauge, that sounds pretty strong. Number 2, I'll show you first and then I'll hold one up. There it is. 2 36 by 29mm scrolled chandelier findings. Look at that. That is pretty. It looks like little hearts in it. Lead-free, nickel-free, and cadmium-free. Next is 10.5-inch strand 6mm crystal bicone beads, vintage peach. Look at that. Very pretty. Okay. Next, I really like these, is 7.5-inch strand 8x6 crystal rondelle beads, pink jade AB. And it's called AB because it does sparkle and twinkle when you move it. I don't know if I'm showing that correctly, but it does. It does, really, it does. But they're so pretty, so light, pink, delicate, very pretty. Okay. And then we have, oh no, that was rose quartz round gemstone beads. No wonder it didn't sparkle. Silly me, it was the wrong one I was looking at. This one does though. This is the 8x6 crystal rondelle, and you can see right there the AB, how it's shimmering. There it is. Pink jade crystal rondelle beads. And I know one came off, so it must be cut already somehow, but let me hold it up. Very pretty. Oops, hit my camera. That's me. Okay, I'm going to set up the next 5 and I'll be right back. Okay, moving on. Number 6. Look at this. I'll put this up first. Look at that. Wow. kind of big. Let's see, 1 meter. No, 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 no. No, no, no. I cannot do that. There it is. 51 millimeter filigree scrolled medallion focal. It's a focal, alright. Lead free, nickel free, and cadmium free. Lots of detail. Very pretty. It's big, but I like some bigger things. Okay. And then I have, oops, 3 sets, but one of the pieces is down on my table. 3 sets, hook and eye clasps, lead free, nickel free, and cadmium free. And they're 20.5 millimeters. So, I like this because, or what I should say about this one, the hook, is that when you're looking at it and you're from a jeweler's point of view, there isn't much room in there. So it seems like it would be very hard for it to come undone once you had it on. I haven't tried these too much. So, sounds like something to do this time. Okay. And then, oh, I have these beautiful, they're little. These little itty bitty, very pretty. I don't know, let me see if they call them medallion. 10-gram bag of 18 by 13 floral medallion links. Yep. Because they have the 2 link ends. So they will go in between. And come on, Kelly. A little better. They're really pretty. So I've got a whole bunch of them. I've got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11. I don't know why I'd have 11. That seems odd. It's odd amount. But there they are. Okay, and then they sent some chain. 1 meter, 3 millimeter, which is small, steel Rollo jewelry chain, rose gold finish. It's pretty. In rose gold, I don't have much chain in rose gold. And being this box is this month's theme, I'll have to use it with it. Okay, and then they sent itty bitty little fancy head pins. Kind of hard to show you. They have a little ball on top. And they're really short. Okay, 25 pieces, 20 millimeter, which isn't really big. Brass head pin with 1.5 millimeter ball, rose gold finish. And of course, I'm going to take one and hold it up. There's one end with the ball. And that's how long it is, approximately. It goes just inside my fingers, barely. So that's interesting. Don't know what I'll do with that. Okay, let me get another set for you. Okay. Next, I have 10-gram bag of 4 millimeter swirled. Let's see if I can get it in focus. Swirled rondelle spacer beads, lead free, nickel free, and cadmium free. Let me turn the camera a little bit. Okay, they're little spacers. In rose gold finish. And guarantee you I will use them up. Okay. Then I'm getting a little bit more excited as I go. 10-piece strand of 10 millimeter dyed quartz gemstone beads, frosted coral. Check this out. I love this color. It's like a dark pink. And it's frosted. So pretty. Oops, almost lost it. Okay, and then this strand, I've got a strand of little itty bitty beads. This is 7-inch strand, approximately 3.5 millimeter, itty bitty, finely faceted rhodonite gemstone beans. Gemstone beads. And look, they're kind of different. They're different colors. They're little itty bitty. Very, very pretty. And then, check this out. 8 millimeter rose quartz round gemstone beads. This is like the other ones I showed you, but bigger. They're 8 millimeter. So that's nice. That'll match. Not that they won't all match, but. And then this is the one I really, really like, that I'm getting real excited about. 10 pieces, 8.5 millimeter. Oops, there it goes. Pressed flower beads, magenta. Not extremely big, but pressed flowers. Try to move them a different way. See, you can see how they, see the different sides of them. No, I'm liking these. Look at that one. Woohoo! Okay, let me get the last 4. Okay, for the last 4. These are rather bigger bead caps. I'm just playing with them now, aren't I? Very decorative. Okay. 10 piece cut out round bead caps, rose gold finish. These will probably work good with the 8 millimeter beads. And then, look at this. I'm always amazed by little things like this. 7.5 strand, oops, 4x3, look at that. 4x3 crystal rondelle beads, Almond Bisque luster. Almond Bisque is the color they call it. And luster, you can see why it's got luster. Look at all that. So pretty. Okay. Then next I have a big focal bead. It looks like it's a bead. Yes, it is. There's the hole. Okay. 35 to 37 millimeter hand carved rose quartz gemstone pendant. There. It's a light, light pink. Very pretty. And the hole right there. And then there are 2 hand carved rose quartz gemstone flower beads. And these are kind of thick. Look at that. I want to show you the detail here up closer. For sure. There we go. Now I'm starting to see it. Very, very pretty. It'll be a beautiful accent. Okay. This shipment, they said retail value for these items to buy them regularly is $65. So my challenge is to make $65 worth of jewelry. And I'll be back to show you what I come up with. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.